Coaching is powerful, but here's something most people don't realize. It's an unregulated industry. Anyone can call themselves a coach. That means it can be hard to know who's genuinely qualified to guide you and who just sounds good online. Flur Allen, founder of Ask Flur, has worked in both regulated and unregulated industries as a teacher and a professional fundraiser. When she added coaching to her toolkit, she chose to hold herself to the same high standard. That's why she aligned with the International Coaching Federation, the world's most trusted body for coaching accreditation. With over 125 official coaching hours, Fleur is now preparing to apply for her ACC, a credential that reflects real skill, structure, and ethical practice. Because coaching isn't about surface-level motivation. It's about transformation, built on trust, accountability, and growth. Explore coaching that's grounded in integrity and built for clarity. Visit askflur.com to learn more.